In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Zerion Wallet app. If you're using the Zerion Wallet as a browser extension, the most reliable way to fully sign out is to remove the extension from your browser. This clears the local session and disconnects the wallet from your browser profile. Before you begin, make sure you have your recovery phrase securely backed up. Removing the extension will require you to import your wallet again later if you decide to use it, and you'll need that recovery phrase to regain access. Your crypto assets remain safely on the blockchain. You're only removing the extension from your browser. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right of the window, look for the puzzle-shaped icon on the toolbar. This is the Extensions button, and it gives you quick access to all installed extensions. Click it to open the Extensions menu. In the drop-down that appears, scroll through the list to find Zerion. If you've previously pinned it, you might also see the Zerion icon directly on the toolbar. That's okay, still use the Extensions menu so you can access its options. Once you've located Zerion in the list, hover over it and click the three dots to the right. This opens a small menu with actions specific to that extension. From that menu, choose Remove from Chrome. This tells the browser you want to uninstall the extension. A confirmation prompt will pop up to make sure you intended to do this. Click Remove on the prompt to confirm. The extension will be uninstalled immediately, and any pinned icon will disappear from your toolbar. At this point, you're fully logged out of Zerion on this browser. If you ever want to use Zerion Wallet again, you can re-add the extension from the Chrome Web Store and then either create a new wallet or import your existing one with your recovery phrase. Remember, never share that phrase with anyone and store it somewhere secure and offline. A quick recap. You open Chrome, click the puzzle icon at the top right to access extensions, found Zerion in the list and click the three dots next to it, selected Remove from Chrome, and confirmed by clicking Remove. That's all it takes to sign out cleanly. This approach is simple, thorough, and ensures the wallet session is no longer active on your browser. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify your backups so you're ready if you choose to reinstall later.